Interactive Investor is an award-winning online investment platform with over 350,000 customers around the world. It was launched in 1995, and Interactive Investor provides DIY investors with the tools and trading environment to help them make informed investment decisions. It boasts one of the most engaged and active investor communities in the country, especially since Motley Fool closed its investment forums. Interactive Investor currently has £45 billion worth of assets under administration, cementing itself as the second biggest investment platform in the UK behind Hargreaves Lansdown. Interactive Investor does not offer investment advice, so is an execution-only service, but it does provide a range of investment tools, a fund shortlist called the Super 60, as well as an ethical fund shortlist, plus some useful investment information to keep users up to date and informed. With Interactive Investor, users can invest in shares, unit trusts, investment trusts, retail bonds, ETFs, gilts, and currencies. You can invest in these within a range of investment products, including the Interactive Investor ISA, the Junior ISA, the SIP, and they have a trading account as well. Now, Interactive Investor is suitable for all DIY investors from beginners to experts. The range of investment choice is one of the best among investment platforms, and trading is quick and easy. The downside, however, is that there is a £7.99 standard dealing charge on switches depending on which service plan you opt for. That includes for funds, which makes the platform expensive for those with smaller pots of money. Overall, while the investment choice is impressive, Interactive Investors ISAs, for example, only become cost effective if you have a portfolio of significant size. When we analyse the investment ISA platforms in the market based on cost, then Interactive Investor becomes cost effective and competitive if you have an ISA portfolio worth over £50,000 or you want to invest in a range of assets beyond just unit trusts. Interactive Investor also has accounts specifically for businesses and pension trading. The latter allows investments in assets such as property, which are not available within the Interactive Investor SIP. A pension trading account can be set up in association with a SaaS, for example, that is administered by your preferred pension provider. Users can even opt to open a free research account, which provides access to additional insights, research tools, watch lists, virtual portfolios, and regular email updates. For those who don't want to choose their own individual investment funds, then Interactive Investor, also known as II, offers 5 model portfolios under the names Active Growth, Active Income, Low Cost Growth, Low Cost Income, and Ethical Growth. Now, these portfolios include a mix of actively managed funds and passive tracker funds. They also use unit trusts, ETFs, and investment trusts. Alternatively, there is the Super 60 fund range, which offers a range of high conviction active and passive funds, investment trusts, and ETFs. Now, the aim is to help investors identify collective investments with consistent returns and those which they believe are good choices in the prevailing market conditions. Now, Interactive Investor also offers quick start funds, which are designed as a low cost, easy way to invest and grow your money. Now, these include the very popular Vanguard Life Strategy funds. But for those that prefer to invest ethically, then II provides an impressive set of resources. A great deal of research has been collated to produce a list of over 140 ethical investment options, which you can filter by asset type, as well as additional tools such as detailed definitions tables and a handy jargon buster. Now, from this list of 140 ethical investment options, II has created its ethical shortlist called the ACE 40, which is a mix of 40 funds, investment trusts, and exchange traded funds, so those are ETFs, which it believes are best in class. Each of the ACE 40 investment options is labelled with either avoids, considers, or embraces, hence the ACE acronym, which means that it either avoids, considers, or embraces certain ethical or unethical practices. So overall, Interactive Investor suits those DIY investors who want to manage their own investments and possibly invest in more esoteric investments beyond unit trusts, investment trusts, and ETFs, and those people who have a significant portfolio size. And that's because Interactive Investor has a fixed fee platform charge rather than the percentage fee you see on other platforms like Hargreaves Lansdown. Now, this fee can be as little as £9.99 a month, and that would include one free trade as well. But if you want to do additional trades in UK shares, for example, then you will have to pay £7.99 per trade. Now, the exact cost depends on which of the three service plans you choose, but it means that if you have an ISA portfolio or a SIP portfolio worth over £50,000, then Interactive Investor will be among the cheapest investment platforms out there. However, for investors with ISA or SIP portfolios under £50,000, there are other cheaper options, especially if you only plan to invest in unit trust funds. For those looking for excellent customer service, investment research, and excellent online functionality, then Hargreaves Lansdown is a popular option. Alternatively, the AJ Bell You Invest platform is among the cheapest for those looking to invest in unit trusts. As ever, if you want to find out about the latest offers, more in-depth detail about the pros, the cons of the product, what we like, what we don't, comparisons with competitors, including charges, then make sure you check out our independent review on the Money to the Masses website at moneytothemasses.com and check out the link below this video.